The MINI Countryman R60, produced from 2010 to 2015, does not typically come with a full-size spare tire. Instead, it's usually equipped with a tire repair kit, also known as a tire mobility kit or sealing system. This was a design choice to save weight and maximize cargo space in this compact SUV. We'll explore what this kit includes and where to find it. The standard tire repair kit in the MINI Countryman R60 includes several key components for temporary fixes. The kit includes a sealant bottle containing about 400 to 500 milliliters of sealing compound. This is designed to temporarily seal punctures up to 1/4 inch or 6 millimeters in diameter. There's also a 12-volt air compressor that connects to your vehicle's power outlet. This compressor can inflate the repaired tire back up to 51 pounds per square inch. The kit comes with an inflation hose and various accessories to connect the compressor to the tire valve stem. The kit also includes detailed instructions for proper use. Remember, this is designed for temporary repairs only. You should have the damaged tire inspected and replaced by a professional as soon as possible. You'll usually find the tire repair kit in the cargo area of your MINI Countryman R60. Look for it in a dedicated compartment under the cargo floor or within the side storage bins. The jack, lug wrench, and other wheel tools are often stored in the same area or in a separate toolkit pouch. Alongside the tire repair kit, the MINI Countryman R60 includes essential tools. You'll find a jack, either scissor or bottle type, rated for the vehicle's weight up to 4,000 pounds. A lug wrench for removing the wheel nuts is also provided. Sometimes, a wheel chock might be included to prevent the vehicle from rolling during the repair. Many MINI Countryman R60 models come with optional run-flat tires. These tires feature reinforced sidewalls that allow you to continue driving for a limited distance after a puncture. You can drive up to 50 miles at 50 miles per hour before needing repairs. Run-flat tires work best when paired with the standard tire pressure monitoring system, which alerts you to low pressure. The MINI Countryman R60's design reflects a broader automotive trend. Many modern vehicles are shifting away from full-size spare tires to save weight and improve fuel efficiency. Tire repair kits and run-flat tires are common replacements, aligning with a focus on urban driving and fuel economy. Always prioritize inspecting and/or replacing the tire after using the kit. While tire repair kits are convenient for small punctures, they're not a solution for all tire damage. Sidewall punctures or larger tears cannot be fixed with sealant. Extreme weather conditions can also impact the sealant's effectiveness. It's important to understand the limitations and consider carrying a spare tire as an aftermarket accessory for added security. The location of the puncture is critical. Tire repair kits work for small punctures in the tread area, typically up to 1/4 inch in diameter. However, any damage to the sidewall cannot be repaired with sealant and requires tire replacement. The size and type of damage also matters. Repair kits are designed for small, clean punctures caused by nails or screws. Larger tears, cuts from curbs, or damage from hitting potholes cannot be effectively sealed and require professional repair or replacement. Extreme weather conditions can reduce the effectiveness of tire repair kits. Cold temperatures can make the sealant less viscous and prone to failure, while hot conditions might cause premature drying. Kits work best in moderate temperatures around 40 to 90 degrees Fahrenheit. Statistics show that about 35% of drivers report issues with tire repair kits, and 1 in 5 flat tire incidents involve damage that cannot be repaired. For added security, consider carrying an aftermarket spare tire as a backup option. If you prefer the peace of mind of having a spare tire, you can purchase an aftermarket Space Saver spare tire kit for your MINI Countryman R60. These kits typically include a smaller spare wheel, a jack, and a lug wrench. Prices for these kits range from $100 to $300. Ensure the spare tire's size is compatible with your vehicle.